How can you build your website in under 10 minutes? Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your online website for free using GoDaddy in under 10 minutes. So let's get started. First off, you're going to go on GoDaddy.com and you're going to click on website and stores. Below that you will see the website builder. So you are going to see on the left side they are giving us a start for free option, and then you're gonna get started. So once you click on that, you will be directed to a account page. You're gonna fill in your personal details. I will get back to you guys once I fill in mine. So once you've entered your personal details, GoDaddy is going to ask you what kind of website you are creating. So what it is related. Let's just say ours is related to fashion accessories, and maybe it's a fashion blog. So let's go. And then you are going to choose your site name. You can change this later, so you don't need to worry about it. Let's just go with Lalita Fashion. You're going to click on next, and now you can see this is the basic dashboard of GoDaddy. So you are going to get started. GoDaddy provides you with a lot of themes that you can choose for over here. First off, you're going to see your homepage, your gallery, your contact us, your blogs, whatever you want to add in those sections. Below that, you will have your blog, your messaging, and any other kind of pop-ups that you want to add to your website. Next to it, you have your themes. So these are the available themes that are completed. So you just have to edit your personal details, or like the basic details. You're just gonna edit those, and these are just complete templates about everything. They will have all of the required necessities that you might need for your website. But if you go back, you can actually start off with a clean slate on GoDaddy. Besides that, you will have your settings, so your domain name. Domain name will also be handled by GoDaddy, which is a great thing, so you don't have to worry about buying a custom domain name from somewhere else. GoDaddy will do that for you, because GoDaddy is actually more well known for selling domain names rather than creating websites. Over here you have your account settings, and in that you have your basic information, social media links, your found on Google, site history, and your general analytics. So coming back to our basic website, this is the template that GoDaddy has basically suggested for me. I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to select a different color. So over here you can see as I change my color, it's changing on this preview. And let's just show you guys. It was green, now it's blue. Now selecting another color, let's just change it up a bit, make it a bit colorful. Now for my text logo, let's just say maybe I want to add a space between it, and I'll just write blog. Now over here you are going to change your font from over here. Let's just make it a bit more cursive. I'm going to click on done, and that has been changed. Now coming back to your header, over here you can change this image. You can change it and also change however kind of insertion you want. If you want it to be all over this block, or if you want it to just be in a tiny section. You can also add videos, so you can upload and select them, or import from a URL. So I'm just going to change the image. You're going to click on change image. You're going to add images. GoDaddy also provides you with stock images. I'm even going to show you guys those, but first I'm just going to add my own image that I have. And once that is done, you are going to insert it. You can also edit your image using GoDaddy, but for now, just to show you guys, I'm just going to add this image. And here you can see if I put it in fill, it's going to look like this. So it will actually go beneath this entire block. And if I put it in fit, it's gonna look like that. So I think this looks the best, and I'm gonna click on done. And now here you can see you can just get started with GoDaddy. You can add all of your basic information in just 2 minutes, and you can design your website in the next 5, and in under 10 minutes you can have your own website up and running. Now, to customize it a bit further, you can see there are some stock lines basically that are typed below, and you can also add your mailing list or your e-commerce website using an insert. but I'm just going to skip that for now, and I'm just going to show you guys a preview of the website and the plans that GoDaddy offers. So you can see this is how the website is going to look, and I'm just going to publish it. And once you click on publish, you can see that GoDaddy is going to give you 3 options. So you can use a domain name that you already own. You can get a new domain name, so you will have to purchase that, or you can go with a GoDaddy free URL. So I'm just going to go with the GoDaddy free URL because it's pretty simple and easy. And if you're just starting out your e-commerce store, you might not want to start buying your domain names because that's just extra money when GoDaddy is going to provide you that service for free. You're going to click on view site, and here you guys have it. Your website is up and running, and you can add whatever kind of information you want. So if you're selling items, if you are running a blog, if you're running a recipe book, if you're just starting out with your company and you just want a social media or online website or online representation, GoDaddy is a great option. But let's take a look at their pricing, and this is where I would tell you guys that GoDaddy might be a bit of a hassle, and here is the reason why. Taking a look at the free version, it will provide you with email and social media marketing, one-time appointments, PayPal payments, SSL certificates, 24/7 customer support, although I really doubt this 24/7 customer support because they usually aren't able to help you and they're not really trained professionals, but you do get branded content creation with the GoDaddy Studio. But if you take a look at their more pricey plans, first off, you have the basic plan, the standard, premium, and e-commerce. The basic plan is $7 a month, and it's almost $10 a month when you renew, so you have to keep that in mind because this initial price is actually not the price that you're going to end up paying eventually once you renew your plan. So you're actually going to be paying $10 just to create your website, and the greater features that it has is your guidance and analytics. You have on-the-go editing, you have custom domain name connection, you will also get one social media platform, you get branded content creators, and you will get one-time appointments, and there are a bunch of features that are not available in the basic personal use program. So that's why if you're gonna go for the basic, I would just tell you to opt for the free one instead and just use the features that are available for free. The standard version is a $10.49 per month on the first time you purchase it, but it is actually $15 a month once you renew your subscription. And you can get search engine optimization, so that is a great feature that the basic or the free plan do not have, and you get 50 social media posts and responses. You also get 3 social media platforms. Moving on, you have your premium and your e-commerce. The premium is $14 for the first time you pay, but actually it's $20 once you renew, and the e-commerce is around $18, but it's actually $25 once you renew it. And the greater number of features is that you can manage and create unlimited amount of social media platform accounts. You get unlimited social posts and responses. You get 25,000 email marketing sends a month, so you can send up to 25,000 emails for your branded content a month. And you also get recurring appointments, one-time group events, you get payments for appointments, email and text appointment reminders, you get product listings, social and marketplace selling on the enterprise only, GoDaddy payment options, other payment options, and discount and promotional features on the e-commerce version of GoDaddy. So I would say if you're getting started out, it's fine to use the basic plan on GoDaddy, but if you are actually looking for a premium and exclusive, high feature, high value program, then don't go for GoDaddy because it's not the kind of website builder that you might opt for. Instead, I have made a previous video where I tell you guys where to actually get started on your website and which is the best website builder for you if you're really looking into that in detail and are willing to purchase your website via a actual more website focused tool. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.